Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine owning a piece of land, a home, an apartment complex. Assets that not only appreciate over time but also bring in a steady cash flow month after month. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with the right strategies and knowledge, this dream is entirely achievable. Greetings, wealth builders. Welcome to another episode on Wealth Builders Wisdom. If you've ever dreamt of diving into the world of real estate, or if you're just curious about how it can be a game changer for your financial portfolio, then you're in the right place. Real estate. It's more than just bricks, mortar, and land. It's a tangible, enduring asset that has stood the test of time, consistently proving to be one of the most reliable forms of investment. 1. Why real estate? Here's the thing. Properties typically appreciate over time. While stock markets may fluctuate daily, real estate tends to have a more stable growth trajectory. Plus, with real estate, you have more control. You decide the property type, the tenants, the rent, and how you'll manage it. It's truly an active and direct way to influence your investment's performance. 2. Starting small. Real estate investing doesn't mean you have to buy a massive apartment complex right off the bat. Consider starting with a single property, like a condo or a small home. This allows you to understand the dynamics of the market, the challenges, and the joys of property ownership, without being overwhelmed. Halfway there and loving these insights? If so, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more wisdom from Wealth Builders Wisdom. Let's continue on our real estate journey. 3. Rental income. One of the primary benefits of investing in real estate is the rental income. It's a continuous stream of cash flow that comes into your account. Over time, as the property's value appreciates and you potentially increase rent, this income can substantially grow. 4. Leverage. Real estate allows you to buy more with less. With a down payment, you can control a property that's worth much more than what you've paid. As the property appreciates, the return on your initial investment multiplies. It's one of the unique advantages of real estate investing. 5. Tax benefits. Real estate comes with a plethora of tax benefits. From deducting mortgage interest to depreciation and even certain property expenses, the tax code often favors real estate investors. 6. Diversification. Adding real estate to your investment portfolio introduces a layer of diversification. By having a mix of assets, like stocks, bonds, and properties, you reduce the risk associated with market downturns in any specific sector. 7. Long-term growth. Historically, real estate values have generally trended upward over time. Even during periods of economic downturn, patient investors often see their properties regain value and then some. Real estate isn't just about buying and selling. It's an art and a science combined. Let's delve deeper into some intricacies of this fascinating world. Understanding the market. It's crucial to have your finger on the pulse of the market. This involves understanding current property values, rental rates, and the future potential of specific areas. Research is your best friend. From online portals to local newspapers and even word of mouth, gather as much information as you can. Building a network. Relationships are key in real estate. From realtors to contractors, bankers, and other investors, your network can be an invaluable asset. They can provide insights, deals, and partnerships that can be mutually beneficial. Managing your properties. Once you own a property, managing it is vital. This involves selecting the right tenants, maintaining the property, and ensuring a steady flow of rental income. Some investors prefer hiring property management companies, while others like to be hands-on. It's essential to choose a method that aligns with your investment goals and personal style. Risk management. Like any investment, real estate comes with its share of risks. Market downturns, property damages, or vacancies can affect your return on investment. Hence, it's crucial to have a contingency plan. This could involve having insurance, maintaining a reserve fund for emergencies, or diversifying your property holdings across different regions. Continual learning. The real estate landscape is continually evolving. New laws, tax codes, and market dynamics come into play. As an investor, it's vital to stay updated. This involves attending seminars, reading relevant books, and joining real estate forums or groups. In essence, real estate investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. With patience, knowledge, and a dash of intuition, it holds the promise of not just financial rewards, but also the thrill of the journey. The power of location. The age-old adage, location, 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 holds particularly true in the real estate sector. The right location can greatly impact the appreciation of your property. When scouting for a property, look for areas with good schools, proximity to business districts, public transportation, and planned future developments. An upcoming shopping mall or metro line, for instance, can significantly boost property values in its vicinity. Renovation and value addition. Another secret to wealth building in real estate is through strategic renovations. By making thoughtful improvements, not only can you increase your rental income, but also significantly boost the property's market value. Whether it's a modern kitchen, an updated bathroom, or energy-efficient features, these enhancements can yield a high return on investment. Understanding real estate cycles. Just like economies have boom and bust cycles, real estate markets have their ups and downs too. These cycles are influenced by interest rates, economic growth, political stability, and even global events. By understanding these cycles, savvy investors can make informed decisions, like when to buy more property or when to hold off. Financing options. One of the compelling facets of real estate is the variety of financing options available. From traditional bank mortgages to private moneylenders, owner financing, or even real estate crowdfunding platforms, there are numerous avenues to explore. Each comes with its set of advantages and considerations, making it essential to understand and choose the best fit for your investment strategy. Commercial versus residential real estate. While many are familiar with residential real estate, commercial properties offer a unique set of benefits. They often come with longer lease terms, potentially higher returns, and can be less sensitive to economic downturns than residential properties. However, they also require a more significant initial investment and come with their own set of challenges. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you found value in this video, please like and share it. Your support helps us in creating more insightful content for all the aspiring wealth builders out there. And, of course, for a treasure trove of financial wisdom, ensure you're subscribed to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Here's to building wealth, one property at a time.